Bullish Steem cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.01 and $2.19 by 2030. Market examiners accept STEM could reach $1.01 by 2025. Bearish Steem market cost expectation for 2022 is 17 cents. Steem presentation. The use of the innovation has extended to consolidate web-based entertainment starting from the first blockchain project appeared, to lay out an additional fair virtual entertainment climate. For example, the Steem blockchain was created. Here, stage clients, instead of stage proprietors, are made up for their social exercises. Check whether you want to put resources into STM tokens by perusing our cost forecast. What is Steem? To foster another kind of stage, Steem consolidates ideas from both cryptographic money and virtual entertainment. Anybody might make content on the Steem organization and offer it or give it an upvote. Contingent upon how well they do locally, get digital currency tokens. The primary stage for Steem is a virtual entertainment network called Steemit that is built on top of the Steem blockchain. Steemit is equivalent to notable informal communities that are content-driven like Medium and Reddit. Besides, it remunerates clients with Bitcoin. This is the way it capabilities. Fundamentally, individuals responsible for making and choosing that content have a greater chance to benefit the more worth they convey to a bigger crowd. Users casted a ballot, laying out a progressive system of the material. A post's income increment as it gets more upvotes. To give clients more noteworthy choices while assessing material, the site presently upholds downvotes. The meritocracy of Steemit permits people with more money to cast a ballot all the more effectively. Both Steem and Bitcoin were created in view of a specific goal. Steem and Bitcoin were both created with specific explicit objectives. An electronic, distributed cash called Bitcoin was created. A virtual entertainment stage is at the core of Steem. Content is focused on numerous virtual entertainment locales through casting a ballot instruments including upvotes, offers, and likes. These thoughts are utilized by Steem, a state-of-the-art stage based on blockchain innovation that rewards clients with STEM for their organization endeavors. Digital forms of money like STEM and Bitcoin are both utilized in informal communities. Yet STEM is more particular. Steem Essential Investigation. STEM, Steem Power, and Steem Dollars are the three computerized tokens that make up the Steemit biological system. STEM. The base digital money of the Steemit network is STEM. Through various notable trades, STEM might be changed over into Bitcoin or other digital forms of money. Be that as it may, you should change over your STEM into Steem Power to project votes. Controlling up is the term for this strategy. STEM may likewise be changed into Steem Dollars. Steem Power. STEM is put as stock in the organization when it is changed over into SP. Votes are equivalent to 1 unit of STEM, vesting as SP. The capacity to impact which material is focused on at the top has a place with those having the most SP to give. Clients with more SP than others have more noteworthy worth with regards to their upvotes and downvotes, otherwise called banners. Besides, an enormous part of brand new STEM, generally 90%, goes to clients with a ton of SP, which urges clients to reinvest their benefits in the organization. There are limitations on how rapidly SP might be shut down, or changed over once more into STEM. Steem Dollars. Momentary obligations are addressed by Steem Dollars, which have a worth of 1-to-1 to the US dollar. To energize development, Steem's white paper depicts holding Steem Dollars as a way of loaning the local area what might be compared to $1 US. Steem Specialized Examination. Albeit 100% right, specialized examination for the digital currency Steem is implausible. You can analyze the amassed STEM trade rating continuously for the picked time period utilizing TradingView's refined specialized investigation device. Moving midpoints, oscillators, and turn focuses are utilized as the establishment for the outline for STEM USD. Taking part in the Steem network offers a great deal of opportunities to win prizes. The quintessence of Steem is remunerating individuals for creating and organizing data that helps the local area. New clients ought to have sensible assumptions, however, as it's remarkable for a first post to become famous and get a sizable payout. There is a huge motivation for individuals to give since Steemit uses a democratic framework to lean toward extraordinary material. One more system for extending your impact and pay on the Steem network is to procure Steem Power. Your upvotes have more noteworthy power the more you spend on the stage, which expands your possibilities acquiring prizes. Steem Current Cost. Steem is as of now worth 22 cents USD. STEM has moved 0.91% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,261,353. Steem is as of now positioned 255 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $88,475,520 USD. Steem Value Forecast 2022. Steem, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Steem cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 33 cents. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 31 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Steem is supposed to have a base worth of 26 cents. Steem value expectation 2023. In 2023, Steem cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Steem will before long outperform 55 cents. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Steem's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Steem will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 44 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 49 cents. Steem value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 78 cents and Steem might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Steem is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 71 cents and a low of 67 cents in 2024. Steem value forecast 2025. On the off chance that Steem effectively supports market feeling among digital money aficionados, the Steem coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Steem will be green in 2025. The Steem is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $1.01, with a base cost of 89 cents and a typical cost of 94 cents. Steem value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Steem cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.16 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.12 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Steem has a most extreme value worth of $1.23. Steem value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.39. On the off chance that Steem figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.46. Neglecting to assemble the help Steem needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.34. Steem value expectation 2028. While Steem is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.57 and a yearly cost close above $1.68 in 2028. Steem value forecast 2029. By 2029, Steem will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.79 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.90, averaging out at $1.83